Hi, I'm Pam Tegis. I'll be instructing gentle mindful yoga during the winter Ollie session. We'll meet on Thursdays at 3 p.m. starting February 10th. During this 5-week survey course, you'll be introduced to different yoga techniques that include both physical posture practice using gentle movements, as well as breathing and meditation techniques. As we age, we're all dealing with different concerns we have about our health, both our physical and mental health. And yoga provides a toolbox that you can use to promote good health, everything from your cardiovascular system to muscular and joint issues. We can address those and look at ways that you can work with your body, as well as, again, mentally. Breathing and meditation can be very effective tools to reduce stress and anxiety, as well as improve your concentration. So I hope you'll consider joining me for this course. You don't need anything but maybe a mat, wearing comfortable clothing. I invite you to practice with me and look forward to seeing you. Take care.